was a wolf family and a cougar family. And a big lake where they'd all go ice skating in the winter. Now, this is a time when they had a big disagreement of who got to go ice skating today. 3, 2, 1. Ah. Daddy! What? Oh. Come on, ice skating! I'm already out of bed, so, okay. Come on, honey. Do. Later at the cougar house.
Yay! Mommy! Yes? Today is a very special day. What a special day. Today's winter. I kind of know that already. We didn't have it for a month. What do you want? Let's go ice skating! Okay. Don't forget your hat, Mommy! I don't care about my hat.
Yeah, I do.
Huh?
I said I do.
Here. Hey, what are they doing here? Hey! No dogs allowed!
We're wolves! Yeah, you're cougars.
Who cares? We're part of the ice skating thing, too, and we came up with it first. Watch my mom whip you halfway. Woohoo!
I'm okay. My claws, they won't stand up.
Because you don't have padded ones like us.
Yeah, I do.
You're not like a little peacock.
Well,
I challenge you to skating off. Okay.
What's a skating off?
Hey, Dad. Okay, everyone get out. Who's on the skating off? Me first.
Haha. Hey! I wasn't even ready, dude.
So Karen is,
No, the referee didn't even say go. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoosh, 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 whoosh,
nope,
whoosh, whoosh.
I win.
I'm next. You'll never defeat me.
Let's see about that.
What happened to my hair? What the crap, dude?
I told you.
I'm back, and I'm ready to kick some butt. Ha!
No, I'm trying to do that.
Well, you're on video, so it doesn't count. And it got him out. Got her out.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
Well, I still won because I have more points than you guys did. Okay. Well, since I can't reach you, let's see.
Okay, we got a revival since you took it off. This is the second round. Wait, 1 second. We gotta get all the shaved ice out. Cleaning montage starts now.
Okay, start. 3, set, go.
Oh.
Hey, it's Rella. Mommy, I can't do it. Well, I'll do it for you, sis.
Dude, that slid down my arm.
Yeah!
Our turn. My turn.
You can do this time.
For being a win? For being me, I'm surprised you're losing. Oh, I thought you took off her head!
Mommy, I can't do this. She's gonna hurt me.
Hey!
I'll do it for you.
Ow, you just hit me. In the arm. No, dude, you're lucky.
You have to hold on. You're holding on like...
Wait. Pause. Okay, I'm ready.
Hey,
Hey, I wasn't even ready.
well, too bad. Mommy, I never can beat him. Please, sweetheart. Told you, Mommy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stop. Okay.
Oh, you're awesome.
No, don't hold him tight, Isabel. Look how I'm holding on the mic.
But it's their turn to be knocked out like that. Why are we getting this on video?
Don't delete it.
I'm not.
Hey, the winners! Everyone! You get to come on after us.
But you take up the, but you cougers, it takes some, you got to skate on it the whole last season.
Well, us cougars, it's fair. Can you tell there's like a little hill right here? But Mommy, that's just not fair. It needs to ice skate, and it's not fair to keep ice exactly right, sweetheart. And you tell them to come right back. Hey guys, come back! We decided you could stay and stop being nasty cougars. Come on, have a good birthday too.
It's my birthday?
Yeah, isn't it?
Tomorrow's my birthday.
Well, we'll celebrate together this week, because we are hibernating tomorrow. Here, us parents will go upstairs. Hey, I'm really sorry for, being crude and rude to your child, but I just wasn't thinking right. I wish my blue one was, my blue Kelly would be as, as tough as the other one.
Cake!
Bye, cake. Yay, I'm finished. Here, let's get out. So they can have nothing. Oh.
Yay! Look, I made up a thing. Wow, look.
Wow. Here, watch this. Watch this. Here, get them out. Okay.
What are your guys' names? What are your guys' names?
My name is, Lily. My name's Kelly, and my name is Katrina.
Ah, I'm Angel. Angel. So, is that a cool trick or what?
Mm-hmm. You still got on video?
Yep.
Okay, come on. Bye.
Woo.
Bye, friends.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
See you at the end of the hibernation.
Okay.
Bye.
Hibernation.
Hibernation. Yay!
That's my children.
And that's how a disagreement got solved. This has been a Brianna